Have you ever wondered how some people make thousands of dollars each month on Instagram? One of the strategies is to turn your Instagram followers into your clients. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the process you can use to turn more of your Instagram followers into clients. Now, before we get started, just a little opportunity to gain some more exposure. One of the things I do on my channel is if anyone takes a screenshot of this video, posts it on Instagram and tags me, whether it's a post or an Instagram story, I do shout out those people in future YouTube videos. So you'll see on your screen now some of the people who have tagged me on Instagram. And if you want that same type of treatment, a shout out in the future video and your Instagram link in the description of this video, make sure you tag me on Instagram with this video or another video as a screenshot so I'm able to see it. So when it comes to getting clients on Instagram, the first step in this process is to get clear on what service you want to offer. Some people, they don't entirely know what service they have to offer, and then that kind of messes up their Instagram messaging where they don't know what they want to focus on. So get clear on the services you want to offer first. You can do an Instagram story and list some of your services and put that as one of the stories people can continue to see, so that when people see services and they click on it, they know exactly how you can help them. So pretty much if your audience knows how you can help them, that's a positive step in the right direction. And after that, what happens next is you just want a bunch of people to slide into your DMs, like as many of them as possible. So you want them to take the initiative and send you a DM. And the way you get people to take the initiative to send you that DM is to encourage them to DM you. So in some of my Instagram posts, I say, hey, you want help with selling more of your books? Shoot me a DM and let's talk. So you're getting the other persons to take the initiative. It's not like doing cold outreach to people and saying how you can help them. It's getting them to DM you. And in my case, saying, I want help with selling more books, or I want help with growing my platform, gaining visibility and revenue. How can you help me? And then that's how the conversation builds. And based on how the conversation is going, sometimes I recommend one of my books. Sometimes I recommend that we jump on a strategy call to talk more about a done for you service or about coaching. Sometimes I talk about a training course, but getting people to go into your DMs and message you, that is critical when it comes to getting more clients. So just in the picture itself and in the description of the picture, and even in your Instagram bio, if you have enough space, encourage people to DM you if they need help in a certain area. And the way to really magnify this is to be more active on Instagram. That's the accelerator, because if you only post once a week, people are not going to remember who you are. For Instagram to produce a significant amount of income, bring in a significant amount of leads, Instagram has to be a daily effort. And it's not as hard at all to be daily on Instagram versus daily on a platform like YouTube, because Instagram, you just need pictures. That's all you need. And if you don't have enough pictures in your camera roll, you just go ahead and you create them in Canva. If you don't see me in the picture, I created it in Canva. And as you continue to be more active and you use hashtags in your Instagram posts, and comment down below if you want me to do a more detailed video on hashtag research. So you're using the hashtags that give you the most visibility. As you're being more active on Instagram, you're getting people to know, like, and trust you. And it's not going to be someone who sees your post for the first time that sends you a DM. It's going to be the person who's seen you 5 times, 10 times, maybe even 20 times before they go ahead and send over that DM where they ask you for advice and the conversation is able to build. But you do have to be active with Instagram posting. You also have to be active with Instagram stories. If you do at least one post a day, you should also be doing at least one story a day. And you can use the stories to promote your new posts so that they get even more upfront engagement. And with Instagram stories, you have more options. You could add a lot more text into the post where it's a value drop. You provide some insights in the story related to how you can help people, like it's related to your service. So for me, selling more books, I can provide a strategy that people can use to sell more books. And you could do the same thing with your Instagram stories. It's good to post as many of these each day as possible, just so that you are continuing to get in front of your audience. Instagram stories and Instagram posts are two phenomenal ways to get in front of people on Instagram, and you have to be doing them daily if Instagram's the place where you want to be getting clients and building up your income. And finally, we have the link in your bio. And the link in your bio, it's not set in stone. It's something you could change as you go. Right now, I link to my YouTube channel because I want the YouTube channel to grow, basically connecting to YouTube and Instagram. So if YouTube grows, Instagram grows, and vice versa. And if you do want to help me out with the YouTube journey and you like getting videos like this one, make sure you subscribe because it does help out. And I always love engaging with people in the community. So if you want to go more towards a money-making route, link to your product, link to your book on Amazon, link to your training course, or link to your strategy call link if you do done-for-you services where maybe it's more expensive. But have the link up there to your product because the posts that you put out on Instagram are the know, like, and trust. Some people, they don't have to go to your website. They don't have to opt in. They don't have to do all those things to further build trust with you. They are ready to buy from you if the Instagram content is that good. So think about what product you want to sell. Maybe you sell a $7 tripwire, which leads into a deeper relationship that can be done for you at some point in the future, or $100 plus training course in the future. But it is very helpful if this thing you're selling also allows you to get their email address, because then you have the ability to contact them on Instagram, the email list. You get them to follow you on other platforms. So like right now you're watching this on YouTube, but you may also follow me on Instagram. And then that may be a second place where you're seeing a lot of my content. And if you guys are following me and you're subscribed to me on YouTube, let me know in the comments because I really love to see that this strategy is working. So in any event, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more like this. I'll see you in the next one.